La ilaha illallah, Muhammad Rasulullah. Subhanallah.
The world wants us to focus on the things that tear us apart.
Don't you think it's time that we focus on the things that we have in common?
And please, don't assume either group for us.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys. I'm happy when I saw this video this morning. I am happy to duet this video. I duetted a video this morning again from Dr. Zakinak. You know, I noticed some of my friends that used to come to my platform and talk, that they unfollowed me because I said, if you have division in your heart, if you think you are set, you don't come to my platform, because this is not what I stand for. You know, I never see anywhere there is division in Quran. You understand? So guys, this is what life is all supposed to be: peace. You know, I noticed that people that are doing this division are those that want trouble. You see, I am reading, studying, so that when I come out here to bring you video or to write a caption on a video, I don't cause an outrage. You see, God is one, God is love. You know, and since I noticed that this religion came from one man, you understand, it made me to pay more attention. It made me to start to study more, to know what the truth is all about. You understand? Read your Quran, read the Bible, do your religion. Togetherness, we move. Thank you.